Want to move your USDT from Binance to Bitget Wallet? Let's dive right into this quick and easy crypto transfer. First, open your Binance app and navigate to the Wallet section, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Here, you'll see an overview of your assets. Locate USDT in your list of cryptocurrencies. Tap on USDT to access specific options. Now, tap the Withdraw button. This initiates the process of sending USDT out of your Binance account. Next, switch over to your Bitget Wallet app. Find the Receive button. It's usually located on the main wallet screen. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies you can receive. The app will generate a unique USDT wallet address for you. Make sure to select the correct network, usually TRC20 for lower fees. Then, tap the copy icon to copy the address to your clipboard. Head back to Binance, paste the Bitget Wallet address into the address field. Double check that you have selected the correct network that matches your Bitget Wallet. TRC20 is recommended. Using the wrong network will result in the permanent loss of your crypto. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Binance will show you the fees associated with the withdrawal. Finally, tap Withdraw and confirm the transaction. You may need to complete a security verification step, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Now, go back to your Bitget Wallet and wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes. Once confirmed, you'll see the USDT balance reflected in your Bitget Wallet. That's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Bitget Wallet.